I'll tell you all as people trickle in, and I'm going to try to be interesting. Professor Minen was. He caught my attention and kept it. And so I'm going to try my 3 minutes as people come in. I'll just tell you that when I was in graduate school, there were all these topics swirling around. And I was determined to find one that would be interesting and applicable and important and that would, I don't know, in a few years make me look smart that I had settled on that topic. And finally, I settled on this thing that got me really excited. And my girlfriend, now my wife, she couldn't figure out why I was so excited. But it was cooperative federalism. I was a master's student. And I ended up, after law school, I ended up writing the dissertation on cooperative federalism. And I haven't thought about it, frankly, in an academic setting so much since I left being an academic. And so it's exciting that now we have a panel, because this really is where the rubber meets the road. And I'm not joking about this part. When you talk about doing something about climate change, you're going to have to look at federalism and hopefully cooperative, something constructive, something good. Okay, so you have, I won't belabor the bios because you have the bios in here. We have a fantastic group. We're going to lead off with Professor Ann Carlson. And very impressive. I don't know how many of you have seen it. There's an article that she has written in the Michigan Law Review, and it was eminently readable. It was transparent, understandable. It was all the things that I was not able to do well when I was writing. My writing was obtuse and difficult, too difficult, because I didn't understand things well enough. So she clearly understood her topic. It was very clear. Professor Ann Carlson from UCLA Law School, inaugural faculty director there at the Emmett Center on Climate Change and Environment. We have Professor Joe Demento from UC Irvine. I remember when I went here to law school, I was thinking, God, it would be so cool to have a UC Irvine Law School. And now here it is. So I'm pretty excited by that. And to hear Professor Demento, we have someone whose name I used to see all the time. In every class I would teach environmental law, there was a casebook I would use that had the name Farber. Finley and Farber, I just remember Farber. And now we have to add to the Finley and Farber Carlson, because we now have this great cooperative relationship like cooperative federalism. We also have Professor Cliff Rechtschaffen. I'm saying it loudly, boldly, hopefully I'm getting it somewhat right, who did a Fulbright, by the way, in Slovenia, which I'm jealous of because I did a Fulbright in a not nearly as great place, and I'm jealous that you were smart enough to do that. So enough with that, because I see all these Harvards and Yales and Michigans and swirling around, so this is an eminently qualified group, and we'll have the four of them come and speak, and then afterwards, 15 minutes each, and afterwards we'll have 30 minutes for Q&A. Thank you.